Patient safety has become more important than ever. Hospitals are constantly searching new ways to reduce in-house contaminations. The biggest threat today is the presence of biofilm hosting antibiotic-resistant bacteria that can spread and contaminate the next patient. Bacteria are everywhere. They especially like humid surfaces where they can accumulate and grow, like for example, sink drains. Did you know that when using a sink, splashing disperses droplets containing fragments of biofilm, attaining 1.5 meters around the drain? At OneLife, we developed a unique technology based on enzymes to detect, dissolve and prevent biofilms. This technology allows us to offer you a unique solution called EnziSurf Descale and Drain. EnziSurf Descale and Drain are highly efficient to decontaminate sink drains. OneLife. Detect, dissolve, prevent.